Welcome to Dr. Khadar Lifestyle.
Why do research institutes like Indian Institute of Millet Research generate hybrid varieties instead of growing them naturally? Is there anything we can do to stop hybrid varieties?
No, simply because these institutes are being directed by the corporate companies. Very simple. So the only way you can stop is not eating what they are giving. Not eating what they are giving. So according to me, the rights of the seed varieties. I think we talked about this issue some time back in one of the webinars. You asked the similar question. How can
farming they are going to, something?
Yeah, farming session we had this question. I think I've already answered it. It is just that what you choose. Right now you are choosing soybean and corn and sugar.
Co-products, yes sir.
Yeah, so the same way the farmers have lost their rights to grow. The seeds are in the hands of the companies. And this is the mechanism through which they want to take all the seeds into their hands. Whether it is millet, whether it is this or that, they will take the seeds into their hands and then they control your food. That's as simple as that. So the rights of the farmers are denied by this. So the present day, the education has to go on. The farmers have to protect their rights of the seeds. That means they should not depend upon this scientists focus research. See, why a scientist does a research? Because he wants to be in focus. If you say the natural variety is better, then they are not in need. They are not having any work. And that is the reason why you should not believe scientists, because they talk all this because they want to be in focus. And ultimately, the hybrid varieties, the genetic manipulation, all leads to lose the capacity to hold the rights of the seeds in the hands of the farmers. And that is the answer for you. So it is the educated public to eat right, to choose right, to deny the wrong things, not to encourage this artificial food practices. I'll give you an example. I will give you an example. See, this is the reason why I came back from America. I want to eat right. First, to start with, I want to eat right. Then I came here. Here also, there were no serious availability of millets was very, very bad. So I started making some farmers grow, buy them, and then I myself started growing, then slowly distributed the seeds. Now, Karnataka is #1 in the world to grow the millets. And I hope India will become the #1 to grow millets and to eat millets, to show the path forward to the human race that this is the way to be healthy. So I may not be answering your question directly, but this is the way to go about into future. And we need to neglect these so-called experts because they are experts to brainwash us for a company's benefit. So modern day scientists are all being manipulated by the corporate culture, industrial food culture. So anyone who says pearl millet is better than the natural one, he is fooling you. He may be the director of IIMR. I don't know whoever he is. Or he may be the director of FDA in America or in Europe. They're only fooling us. That's not a fact. Because, in fact, you have your capsicum, this hybrid variety, this big red, looks green, yellow, all wonderful looking capsicum. They claim it base this big. But actually the real original variety of capsicum is very small.
Small in size,
very small. And if you eat that small one thing, you get vitamin C 10 times more than your lemon. Whereas this red, nice looking, very attractive thing you eat, you can eat 1 kilo, you will not get with one capsicum. So that's the difference. That's the kind of fooling that is going on. All these now so-called big polyhouse vegetables, aqua vegetables, all these so-called, the Israeli vegetables, all this is, according to me, hangama, nothing else.
We will not get any benefits from that.
Yes.
That kind of vegetables.
Yeah, they are all eating those so-called salads, but they are falling.
They look very attractive in salads only.
Salads only. It looks good on your photos, recipe books.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Khadar Lifestyle. Press the below bell icon to get notifications.